In this activity, we'll explore IDOR, Insecure Data Object Reference, a common web vulnerability where user can access or manipulate data they shouldn't changing values in the URL. If a website does not properly check permission, attackers can easily view or modify someone else's data just by changing a number in the URL. We will test using Arturio Mutual. So first we go to Arturo. Open. So we are here. So just sign in. J Smith. Then demo 1 2 3 4. We have a difficulty in internet. J Smith. So we are here now. Then we go to savings here. So as we all see, the 80004 is saving, but if hacker can manage that to change it, so real customer cannot identify which they can change. So let's try it. Go here. Oh, I should forward it first. So here, as you can see, 80002 is for savings here. But apply changes forward. So it changed to checking because I changed it to 80003, so it become checking in here too, but the URL is changed by, it doesn't change, it's still 8002. So we can make it vice versa to just explain it. So before it was saving, then it becomes checking, but now checking it becomes saving. So let's do that. Checking, select account, then we are in a checking, so change it 800022, apply change forward. So let's wait. So it becomes savings. Before it was checking. Then the URL is doesn't change to 8003. So that's the simple explanation and how hackers can manipulate URL. So basically it was changing the page, but I changing the content of the page but not the page. So here are the impact of IODR. Privacy breach. Attackers can view personal info for others. Account hijacking. Attackers may update or delete users' data. So this is what we do. Just by a simple URL, you can manipulate the data or just confuse the real user. Unauthorized action can lead to changing rules, viewing payments info, or manipulating settings. So that's what happened today. So that's all.